G Vicharja, this is Breach and Shaw Irish language teacher, and we're going to do the little last box on the right hand side. It's sort of in purple there, and it is under the title of Friendship Cargus. Cargus for friendship. Okay, so friend is cara, and when we address somebody, we would say a cara. A chara, friend. Loved one, a storing, a storing. Treasure, a hashki, a hashki. So, if we were asking somebody how they were and they were somebody that we cared about, we could say, Kaje maratatu a hashki. Kaje maratatu a store. Kaje maratatu a chara. Okay, the next phrase down is one that I'm sure everybody has heard at some point. It is Pogue Mahoan. Pogue Mahoan. Kiss my ass. We'll move swiftly on to I like you. Is moi lum tu. Is moi lum tu. Now, the moi can be pronounced ma. Is ma lum tu. Is ma lum tu. And we also know that sometimes the tu can be pronounced as who. So you could hear is moi lum who. Is ma lum who. I love you. Is gra lum tu. Or is gra lum who. So there you go. Slán go Foill.